And the biggest originate is back, hotter than ever before. Get ready to meet my 7 lovely queens this season 2. Is it how like the laundry? It's just me. Flop flop, bitch. I'm here to join me as they say, but watch out because I'm here to represent Versailles community. Hey!
Yes, the youngest, but let's see who has the last one.
I'm gonna make sure that you eat a bit of it, so sit back and feel my oats. You're jumping from Caloocan City to Quezon Beach. So lahat ng mga pinsan, ang lama. Hello, Caloocan, the universe spotter. My time. Get ready to be covered in red because it's gonna be a bloodbath. Drag the Login Season 2, coming this June 22.
Let's all welcome your host. It's me, Anna T. Alright, good evening everyone. Welcome to Drag the Login Season 2. Are you guys all excited? In that case, bilisan na natin ito because we're already late on schedule. It's time to meet your judges. Our first judge is the founder of Masilo, a drag advocate and a fighter and an advocate for women empowerment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Miss Daphne Cormero. Alright, give us a little pose, Miss Daphne. Where's her certificate? That's gonna be Miss Daphne Cormero. Our Miss Cocaine Stardust. Are you guys ready to meet our third judge? Our third judge is an amazing queen, and she's your Asian Pinoy drag idol. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Jay Wynn! Host for us, Yay! Alright, thank you so much. Your Philippine drag supernova. Let's give it up for Miss Chanel. Grabe ang kaganda. Kaganda rin ang lahat. Pero naman natin din yung ganda niyo. Thank you so much. And that is it, guys, for this esteemed panel of judges. Nakabahan na po yung ating mga alam tayo. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to start our competition tonight, starting off with our runway competition.
Well, much fast, your youngest drag queen here in Caloocan. Yes, the youngest. You heard it right. but let's see who has the last line. My runway outfit shows inspiration to the one of the famous delicacies of Apple. This showcases the rich
baby. I am Baby Zahara Binet, your drag queen from Catbalogan City. Yes, I am Baby from Catbalogan City. Iling Outwins is also known here in Catbalogan, which is the Tendera ng Sisig. Ang Tendera ng Sisig sa kulugin pili na i-portray o ipakilala iyo. Ito mo sa iling kilala kung pakabuhi na nakatawag din niya ang siya ng Catbalogan City.
Started from the news 2 years old, young and fresh, but totally form one. My name is Abby Shantus from the land of Maniwala, the rock summer. Thank you. My darling, wait. Is Barbecuan Plaza, which draws inspiration from the barbecue scene at Catbalogan Plaza. Renowned for its delectable flavors, the cultural and age-old family recipes and traditional techniques to prepare the dishes. The vibrant plaza atmosphere enhances the experience of uniting a beloved destination for both locals and tourists.
Pasabog!
This is your queen walks fresh, bold, and succulent. At ito ang banging-banging na banging ng pagkakatigan, baka di mo natantanan. At ang banging-banging na banging ng umagan, baka di mo nabitawan. Once again, this is your queen Voxelox from City of Catbalogan. Multi-racial Romanos versus Collisional Bulalan Hongbuao, known for its lineage Palambulan. Welcome to Catbalogan City, celebrated for its distinctive and high-quality dried fish. Our rich fishing waters and time honor dining techniques handed down through generations. A genuine local delicacy. Discover our very own Bulad and enjoy a piece of cultural heritage of Catbalogan City. City of Catbalogan, Catbalogan City.
Hey!
The dog has arrived. Hi everybody, my name is Amber, the dog from Catbalogan City. I'm excited to give you a beautiful drag package because I know the dog is here to serve. My look is inspired by Curioso, the infamous golden butter biscuit from the islands of Catbalogan, later in summer. Pasalubong for everyone. I'm going to make sure that you eat it bit by bit. So sit back, and eat this beauty up. Chorus. Delicioso.
The face, the mug, the fantasy, when I'm on the tour, I still believe. Hi, my lovely Katbalunganans! Ako nga yung Poxilin, isa sa pinakamahusay na drug artist at Akloban City, aka the Superstar. Shut, is it happy Katbalogan? Or it's just me? I'm wearing my favorite delicacy from Katbalogan. It's the Malas. My bodysuit shirt is the Pinipian, covered with the banana leaves. Baby, this is drag. This outfit is made by yours truly. I'm serving cunt on the right way, period. Charisma, uniqueness, nerve, and talent. So for those bitches who wear Paul's outfit tonight, clap clap, bitch.
Hi guys! Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Guys, please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Yan. Subscribe kayo guys. Hello guys! Please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Please subscribe. Subscribe.
MacJude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and MacJude TV. Thank you.